remodeling my room. So I forgot to take before and after pictures, or not after. We haven't started yet. I forgot to take before pictures, and I'm already like moving all this stuff out. So I'm just gonna show you guys what my room looks like right now and how big of a change it'll be. All right, so let me show you guys my room. All right, so over here is my dresser. It's really cluttered. And then here I have this shelving unit. This is my closet. You guys don't want to see in there. Trust me, you don't. And then my desk chair is right here. And I have all my stuff just on the floor because I have like all my books and stuff. And then I'm selling my desk. And then this is my desk. And then this is a weird shelf that I have. These are all my Pinewood Derby cars. This is a weird like ledge thing. Here's my bed. And then over here, I have my hamper. I have this cute shelf that I DIY'd. It's super cute. Yeah. And then in this corner, there used to be this corner shelf, but we just sold it yesterday. So yeah. So let me just show you guys my whole room. Just so you guys know how it's all layered out. So what my plans are is I want to paint the wall a grayish color. These are my plans. So this is my closet, and this is my door, this is my light switch. So I'm gonna keep that shelf. I'm actually going to put my dresser here, my desk over here, so I'm just gonna switch those. I'm planning on having an area rug right below my bed. And then my bed is gonna be right here against the wall, so it's just gonna go this way. And then I'm gonna have this nightstand, and on this ledge thing right here, I'm gonna put plants. Okay guys, so I'm going for kind of a minimalist, like modern kind of style in here. I do want like little bohemian accents. I'm super excited, and there's gonna be a lot of crafting. It's gonna be great. All right. Now that all that stuff is cleared out, I'm gonna start painting my room. Okay, so I'm in my room right now, and we're just painting the wall. So right now I'm painting this little corner area to get the cracks, so we don't, but I think in a little bit we get to use the rollers, and I'm really excited. I got my hair in paint, and so now I put it up and I'm done. Okay, so we just finished doing all the corner details, as you can see right here and like here. So we just finished that. I picked like a lightish gray because I want it to be a neutral, and I want it to be like a gray. So I didn't want it to be a white, because if it was a white, then maybe it would be like just too white in here. So I wanted like a little different. But right now, the purple is like messing with the color, and so it looks blue. So now we're going to start using the rollers. Painting done. Next, we're gonna do the bed frame. Okay, now that we've finished the painting, we're going to be moving on to the bed. So I sold my other bed, got a new bed, and I think you guys will love it. Okay guys, so I got this new bed, and I wanted to paint it a color that would complement the walls of my room. So I'm painting it this like light gray, or dark gray, sorry. And yeah, it'll be really nice. Next, we're going to be making a desk out of repurposed material, and it's gonna look great. Here's my process. Okay, so basically we're almost finished with this desk that we made. So the top is really pretty, and it's basically just like this shiny white. And then over here we figured out like this like wood looking like geometric kind of contraption, like leg over there. And then, so once we finish this, we're gonna move it in the room, and then we're gonna get a head start on the next project. Okay guys, so we just moved in the bed and like dresser. We got this new dresser. It's really cool. It matches with the colors. And so the wall turned out really good. And also the headboard looks amazing. We got these lights and we just put them on the headboard. BTW guys, we made this headboard and it turns out so good. And then as you can see right here, this is the trundle like bed thing that we did a makeover pretty much on. This concludes part 1. Make sure you check out Bedroom Makeover part 2, where we will be making a light for this room. See you guys there. Bye!